SmartCool's Eco 3 is an energy efficiency retrofit for your air conditioning, refrigeration, or heat pump system. It's wired in series between the thermostat and one or two compressors. The Eco 3 uses SmartCool's unique compressor optimization technology to save energy while still delivering the same temperature control for your building. The model we're using in this example is an Eco 3 dual channel, meaning that it is saving energy on a two-compressor system using two channels. The Eco 3 will log how many hours the compressor runs in various states and how many hours of runtime it has saved. You can cycle through the different types of data logged at any time just by pressing the Enter button. The process for checking data on an Eco 3 single channel is exactly the same, you just don't have to cycle through as much data. So, let's see how much energy we are saving here. When we press the Enter button once, you can see the data from channel 1, showing how many hours the Eco 3 has allowed compressor number 1 to run without applying any savings. You can ignore the decimal point, so this indicates compressor number 1 has been running for 12 hours. On an Eco 3 dual like this, pressing the Enter button a second time will show you the run hours for compressor number 2, which has been running for 13 hours. Pressing the Enter button a third time on an Eco 3 dual will give you the total run hours for both compressors. See how both channel 1 and channel 2 run lights are on? In total, the Eco 3 has allowed the two compressors to run for 25 hours. If we continue pressing the Enter button, we can cycle through the different types of hours the Eco 3 has logged since it was installed. It will always go in the same order as in the first example, showing channel 1, then channel 2, and finally the total for both channels. Save hours indicate the hours that the compressor would have run if it were not for the Eco 3. In other words, save hours show exactly how much compressor runtime the Eco 3 is saving. So here we can see the total is 10 save hours for the two compressors, thanks to the Eco 3. The higher the save hours, the more energy the Eco 3 is saving by having the compressor run less frequently than it would on its own. Bypass hours indicate the number of hours that the compressor has run while the Eco 3 has been in manual bypass. You can manually put the Eco 3 in bypass mode at any time, which means you are effectively removing the Eco 3 from the circuit and it will not have any impact on the compressor. This could be very helpful in cases where you have planned maintenance to the system and want it running without the Eco 3 in operation. In this example, we had the Eco 3 set for a 2-hour manual bypass, and the compressors ran for 1 hour each within this time period. When the bypass light flashes like this, it's showing you the automatic override hours logged by the Eco 3. The automatic override occurs when the Eco 3 has automatically removed itself from the control circuit in order to allow the compressor to run until it has achieved the thermostat set point. You will see automatic override hours logged any time the compressor needs to run flat out to try and achieve the required temperature. For example, if there is a major heat wave, your air conditioning will be struggling to keep your home cool, so the compressor will continue running instead of cycling off and on. Automatic override is an important safety feature of the Eco 3, ensuring that it will never affect temperature. Here we haven't had any of those kinds of issues, so the Eco 3 has not logged any automatic override hours. You can return to the main on screen just by leaving the Eco 3 alone for 10 seconds. By recording this screen data or entering it straight into your smartphone, we can easily get an estimate of how much runtime the Eco 3 is saving. SmartCool has developed a savings calculator available on our website to help with the math. In this installation, we're saving 28% compressor runtime. Check out our next video to see the calculator in action, where we can add in a few details about the compressor to get an estimate of how much actual energy the Eco 3 is saving. For more information, please contact us.